Alam niyo guys, whenever I do my webinar and I share financial management, yung kinita ko from Forex, and how I was able to become debt-free, and paano ko na-manage yung financial ko, is like sobrang na-empowered ako lalo. Mas lalo ko nanggigigil to share how I did it. Kasi parang I feel like na si Lord, ginamit ko itong instrument na to, itong Forex, itong pag-webinar ko to help other people and mas mag-manifest yung goodness niya sa life ko. Kasi guys, I wouldn't be able to get anything that I have right now if not because of God. And probably si God gusto niya gamitin tong platform ko here in TikTok and the people who believe in me na makita nila na kaya pala blessed si Lady kasi meron siyang Lord. Kaya pala ang dami niyang natutulungan kasi ginagamit siyang maging channel of blessing ni Lord. And kaya parang nafe-feel ko lagi sobrang empowered ako, excited, makulit, Gina G, diba? Kahit nakakapagod magsalita. Pero grabe, sobrang iba pa rin pag si Lord yung kumikilos sa buhay natin. Kaya I hope guys na ako hindi lang matapos sa akin yung blessing and pag-bless sa ibang tao. I hope lahat na mababless ko rin and matutulungan ko na magkaroon ng financial freedom is gawin din nila sa ibang tao. Matulungan din nila yung maraming tao and mapakita nila na kaya sila blessed because they have the God who is big, who is limitless, who is abundant, who is kind, and worth glorifying talaga. Kaya doon sa mga hindi naka-attend ng ating webinar, I will be uploading na lang po sa ating YouTube yung ating webinar tonight. Sorry, ang dami din naka-join, sayang. Anyway, so next Tuesday na lang po, I'll be sending another link wherein saan kayo mag-register. So I hope to see you soon next week na lang. Shucks, wala pala ako next week kasi balikin kami next week. So next week.